Hi, today we are going to see the cutest job in the world together. Let's go watch. Animal chiropractor.
Gut.
Ey, ganz lieb. Psst, nein. Ey,
Ist gut. Ich lass langsam los.
ganz lieb.
Okay.
He was like, what the
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut? Okay, gut.
He need that. Looks relieved.
Ja, hast dich erschrocken, nicht, oder? Boah. Was lässt du rum?
Ey. Ganz lieb. Nein.
Ich lass langsam wieder los, okay? Fein. Okay, jetzt kann er runter. Okay. Gut.
Okay, that's baby bear.
Gut. Nochmal. Gut.
They quickly thanks him. Is that centaur? Okay, that's dangerous. Very dangerous. Come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Alter.
He's a monster.
3, 2, 1. Achtung. Okay. Gut.
Look at him. Oh my god. I have a question. How do you know your dog need this?
Gut gemacht.
He must have bitten few times. No way.
Feiner. Hast dich erschrocken, ne?
No way.
Super. Fein. Lecker.
Cutest job ever.
Gut, Schatz. Gut.
In this world, you can only rely on the animal love without fear of the regret. See you guys in the next one.